Oh, you dropped it again. You dropped it. You gotta pull it up higher. Why do you keep dropping it? Were you camera shy? You want the camera, huh? Yeah, you want the camera. You can't get it though. It's too far. It's too far for babies. Why do you keep dropping it? Oh, did you find it again? Oh, look, you found it. You found it. Yeah. Oh, now you lost it again. Where'd it go? Oh, you kicked it on the floor. What are you doing? You almost got it. Almost. It's right there. Right there. You want to take pictures? Oh, okay. There you go. You got your hand in the way. How are you supposed to take pictures with your hand in the way? Huh? Oh. No, you're not supposed to eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, sweet baby. Don't eat it. That's not what